Meaning of inflate.
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 Inflate. The term inflate means to make something larger or fuller by filling it with air or gas. When an object is inflated, it expands in size and becomes more voluminous. This process is commonly used in many everyday items, such as balloons, tires, and sports balls. Additionally, inflation can also refer to an increase in the general price level of goods and services in an economy over time, which can lead to a decrease in the purchasing power of money. Overall, inflation can have both positive and negative effects on various aspects of society, depending on the context and magnitude of the inflation.